In this assessment, we're asked to calculate the atom economy of an oxidation reaction, specifically using the Des-Martin reagent. Now, if you notice, I think before we even start to do the calculations, we can see that we're taking a molecule of 100 atomic mass units, 102, and making a molecule that is 100, and using to do that a molecule whose atomic mass is 4 times larger than what we started or finished with. So the atom economy here is not going to be great. If we plug in the numbers into the equation, we're going to take the atomic mass of what we make, 100.16, and divide that by the atomic masses of what we started with. So 102.18 plus 424.14. If we multiply that times 100 to turn it into a percentage, we can put the numbers into our calculator, and we get 19% atom economy. This is certainly not a green reaction because what happens to the other 81%? This reagent, the other 81%, could potentially be simply waste. We could make it more green by finding a way to recycle the material or making it catalytic or whatever. And those are the important things to think about when we try to turn reactions that are less sustainable into reactions that are more sustainable.